Today I'm going to show you how we made these super cute Taylor Swift friendship bracelet football sugar cookies. They're a little tedious, so just bear with me. It's worth it, I promise. We also made some hearts to go with the footballs because we had to. Welcome back to Shalise Bakes Cakes. To start out making our hearts, I just have some red buttercream and a small round tip. And we'll just start piping across this heart. These are good ways to practice your piping also. We add some sprinkles, of course, on top of our hearts. And now we're gonna make these friendship bracelet footballs. I linked my sugar cookie recipe above. They're delicious, yummy, and super soft. All right, to make these friendship bracelets, we have to make our footballs, obviously. So I'm just using that same round tip. We're just gonna pipe our buttercream across our football. Have the smallest, tiniest round tip for writing, and we're just gonna make it look like a football. We're gonna put the lines on the side, and then right at the top we'll put the laces. You can see I just have these mini eyeballs. That is what I used to make the actual letters for the friendship bracelet. And then of course some sprinkles. We have to write on the back of our eyeballs. And let me tell you, these are pretty tiny, tiny little eyeballs, and it was a little bit rough here, but we got it done. I'm just using an edible marker. Now we're gonna make the friendship bracelet on to our cookie. And we just have to start by placing sprinkles one by one across the cookie. And yes, it's a little bit tedious and it takes a minute, but it's worth it. I use some tweezers to help. You can definitely do that if you want, or you can just use your fingers. Just keep going, and there's no right or wrong way. Make that little bracelet across the football. So cute. Oh my gosh. These are my absolute favorite. I hope you guys love them too. Then we're gonna add a little bit of sparkle because it's Taylor Swift and we have to add a little bit of sparkle. And there you have it. We have the most adorable football friendship bracelet cookies plus some pretty cute heart cookies to go with it. Thanks so much for watching here at Shalise Bakes Cakes, and stay tuned for more fun videos on the way.